Okay, we're back, and, shotgun. God damn! I've been... Ow! That hurt. Good sniper. Trying to get up here for... Surprise!
I can't see it. Way to line 'em up.
That was one tough shield. Punch. Whew. I was worried for a minute. Playing on the Xbox 360 and playing Halo 2 is a little tricky, usually because of the control delay. Well, I tried. Find new areas in the map. No. Oh. Needles. Nope, that's not switch. Ow. Hey, don't do that. That is not very nice for your sniper rifle.
Mess them up good.
Don't mind if I do.
Yo, dude. Don't mind if I do.
Hey, there's another one.
Oh, Jesus!
Here it comes.
It's terror!
Stand.
Fire the bloody rocket already. God, Marine, fire the rocket! Hey, you! Fire the rocket! Jesus, Marine. Oh, look what you did. You made the guy with the pistol die.
I'll get the next one.
No, you won't. Give me that.
Cortana, the Covenant's getting nosy.
Poor guy.
I don't want to give away my position, so I'm rerouting a few stragglers back to you. I apologize. These Pelicans are all the support you're gonna get. Understood, ma'am.
I'll just take all the ammo. I have the right to shoot you in the face, Marine. But I won't. Because I'm not like that. Because I'll do it with a shotgun.
I ran out of grenades and accidentally threw my lunch. It's true.
I don't know about that, Marine.
A gondola is launching from the far towers. Big surprise. It's full of Covenant reinforcements.
No! Haha, the glorious shotgun ammo. What was that about?
Weak. It's total.
No surrendering, Marine. No surrendering. Wait.
If you hit the activation switch, it should drive itself.
No, it can't. Cortana, that was the dumbest idea
This
ever.
gondola won't bring us all the way to the main temple, but it'll get us close. Let's get on board.
No! Miss Bossy Pants. Marine, you coming? Marine, I need to have you go on there. Thank you. Good enough. Do 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 do. That should keep all the weapons here. Yes! My weapons!
Yeah, so when I shoot, I try to hit.
Where'd he go? I don't see anybody. Looks clear. But I know it's not! No.
This lake couldn't have been formed by volcanic action, which means it was either built this way on purpose or was created by some other cataclysmic event. I'm sorry. Were you trying to kill something?
Well, duh. Arr, pirates!
Here I come. Grenade!
Shit! I always mistake it.
I lost track of the damn thing. Alright, where are we at now? Eyes on. Here's up. Man, how did you clowns even find Earth?
You keep my battle rifle.
That's right. You wanted my gun. All right, aim for their asses.
Has anybody seen... Ah, there we are.
Advantage? Us?
Indeed, you got me.
What, more fun?
No mercy.
Leave alive.
Peekaboo. I see you.
Ah, now I see. There's a submerged section that connects these towers to the outlying structures. Looks like we're going down. Unless you'd prefer to swim.
Swimming. Wait, Spartans can't swim. No. What was that?
Full car coming up!
Where's the door at, Marine? Worked out better than I thought. Me. You never know. You always gotta stockpile these weapons, you know. There we go. Don't want to lose my shotgun now. Right, here we go. We're going on an adventure. Yeah! You ready for this adventure, soldier? Are you ready? Here we go. Prepare yourself. Lock in your seatbelts. Yeah! Woo! Why don't we have one of these? Humans need these.
I've intercepted a secure transmission from Regret's carrier to something called High Charity. It seems to be a formal apology to the prophets of truth and mercy. Apparently, Regret jumped the gun when he attacked Earth. He's asking the other prophets to forgive his premature arrival, arguing that no human presence was foretold. That explains why there were so few ships in his fleet. But it's odd a prophet would have such bad intel about his enemy's homeworld.
Eh, my fault. Kind of slipped a certain...
Hey, mind pointing that somewhere else, Chief?
What'd you say to me,
Let's
soldier?
do this.
Yeah, let's do this! That's the door, right? Yeah, that's the door, okay. Where's the... Oh, yeah. Hey. Party's over, gentlemen. Now. Fishy.
Careful!
I'm good.
Up there!
I am not up here. I am nowhere. Okay. Thought something interesting was gonna happen there. Doors. Hey, where do you think you guys are going? Get back here. Get out of my way. I hate jackals. Don't even believe in the Covenant religion. They're just there. We'd pay them and they'd betray them. Wait, am I going the right way? No.
Oh, hell yeah!
No, hell no, because I went the wrong way, Marine.
Stand. Scare me.
Ah, here we go. Yeah, I can see you guys. Oh crap, I'm so sorry, I saw you! SOS! SOS! I think that's how you do it. Blind you, I will! Blind you, I will, yes? No! I need my battle rifle. Yeah. Okay, those plasma rifles, they're doing something. You're hacking! You hacker!
Hey, I'll decide what's right for this guy.
Shotguns don't work, you gotta use the big old scary battle rifle! Wait. Oh Jesus, no! Marine, don't go up there! Ah, damn it. He's carrying my shotgun. Oh well. It didn't have enough ammo anyway to live on. My poor little shotgun. Hey, Marine, come on, let's go. I got a curfew to keep. Click, click.
Bloody buck!
Wow, stop complaining, jeez.
You're not the full quid, are you?
Stare.
Oh, I could do this all day, mate.
Staring contests? Hmm? Hmm?
Mess them up good!
No, not really. Whee! And we're back on the adventure through the water. No one shall know the stories we have
Carrier just received a
witnessed.
response from High Charity. A very well encrypted message from the Prophet of Truth. Listen to this. Your haste has jeopardized the fulfillment of our covenant, threatened our grand design. That you shall be spared a public display of our contempt is thanks only to Mercy and his wise counsel. Truth, Mercy, Regret. 3 prophet hierarchs. Killing Regret should shake up the covenant leadership. But frankly, it sounds like you might be doing Truth a favor.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is where the video is gonna end. Yeah. Rain, no! Don't do it! No, 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 no!
I hear something.